Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this episode, we are going to discuss finding the sine of half angles in terms of the sides. In triangle ABC, prove that sine A by 2 equal to root of S minus B into S minus C divided by BC, sine B by 2 equal to square root of S minus C into S minus A by CA, and sine C by 2 equal to square root of S minus CA into S minus B divided by AB. We know that how to get these results, sine A by 2, sine B by 2, sine C by 2. In previous sessions we discussed that from the cosine rule we have formula in any triangle we have cos A equal to B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. After that, consider the value of 1 minus cos A. Why sir 1 minus cos A? To get the sine A by 2 value, 1 minus cos A is equal to 1 minus cos A value we have here, B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. Here you keep bracket here, otherwise minus is there, no, some confusion will be there. After that, take LCM and all. 1 minus cos A is equal to, here LCM is 2BC. So 2BC into 1, so 2BC. After that minus B square minus C square plus A square. This is the value of 1 minus cos A. After that, 1 minus cos A equal to first A square. After that, from these three terms I am taking common minus. We can write it as B square plus C square minus after taking common, no? So minus of minus plus divided by 2BC. So this bracket value, it is in the form of x square plus y square plus minus 2xy. So we can express as x minus y whole square. So here B square plus C square minus 2BC we can express as B minus C whole square. So which is equal to A square minus B minus C whole square divided by 2BC. This is the value of 1 minus cos A. And one more thing here, it is in the form of x square minus y square. This is completely y. X square minus y square means x minus y into x plus y, or x plus y into x minus y. See here, A minus of B minus C, A minus B into A plus B. So A plus B minus C divided by 2BC. After that, A minus B minus of minus C plus C into A plus B minus C divided by 2BC. This is the value of 1 minus cos A. After that, we need to calculate the values of A plus B minus C and A minus B plus C. Since the perimeter of the triangle, we have formula, that is A plus B plus C equal to 2S. So from this, we need to calculate A plus B minus C. So A plus B minus C. So here how to approach a plus b minus c? A plus b minus c, which is equal to a, this value I am calculating. From this, a plus b, if you take as a subject, you will get 2s minus c. Is it right? So a plus b minus c can be written as a plus b. In place of a plus b, you can write it as 2s minus c. Sorry, 2s minus c, 2s minus c. Already minus c is there. So ultimately it will become 2s minus 2c. Therefore, a plus b minus c can be written as, to take common from these two, 2 times of s minus c. This is the value of a plus b minus c. Similarly, we will calculate the value of a minus b plus c. So now, a plus a minus b plus c. Can we write like this? A plus c minus b. Both are same. Again, from a plus b plus c equal to 2s. From this I am making subject a plus c. So b we can take this side, 2s minus b. So in place of 2a plus c, 2s minus b. 2s minus b minus b, which is equal to 2s minus 2b. To take common, 2 into s minus b. So a minus b plus c value is 2 into s minus b. Now come to the question. Therefore, 1 minus cos a is equal to, in place of a plus c minus b, you have to write 2 into s minus b. In place of a plus b minus c, you have to write 2 into s minus c. 2 into s minus c. We have here already. Divided by 2bc. So here 2 get cancelled. We know that 1 minus cos a is 2 sin square a by 2, which is equal to 2 into s minus b into s minus c divided by bc. Here 2 get cancelled. We need to calculate sin a, no? So sin a by 2, sin square a equal to this value. Sin a equal to square root of s minus b into s minus c divided by bc. Since a by 2 is less than 90, a by 2 is less than 90. So obviously sin a by 2 value is greater than 0 only, no? That you have to remember. Similarly, sin a by 2 equal to square root of s minus b into s minus c by bc. Similarly, we can prove that. Sin b by 2 equal to square root of s minus c into s minus a divided by ac or ca, and sin c by 2 equal to square root of s minus a into s minus b divided by ab. Hence proved. The next question. In triangle ABC, prove that cos a by 2 equal to square root of s into s minus a divided by bc. Cos b by 2 equal to square root of s into s minus b divided by ac. Cos c by 2 equal to square root of s into s minus c divided by ab. We have formula 1 plus cos A equal to 2 cos square A by 2. So we know that, or we have simply 1 plus cos A is equal to 2 cos square A by 2. After that, cos A value, we know that now from cosine rules. From cosine rules, cos A value substitute in this. Cos A value is A square. Here A is means B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC is equal to 2 cos square A by 2. Now take LCM. We will get 2BC into 1. So 2BC plus B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC, which is equal to 2 into cos square A by 2. B square plus C square plus 2BC is the expansion of B plus C whole square. Minus A square divided by 2BC, which is equal to 2 into cos square A by 2. Again, A square minus B square, it is in this form. So we can write it as B plus C plus A into B plus C minus A divided by 2BC equal to 2 cos square A by 2. We know that since A plus B plus C is equal to 2S, and also from here BC make as a subject, B plus C is equal to 2S minus A. So now this above step will becomes in place of a B plus C plus A, we can write it as 2S into B plus C is equal to 2S minus A, no? 2S minus A, again minus A divided by 2BC, which is equal to 2 into cos square A by 2. So here 2 get cancelled, which is also can be written as S 2S minus 2A divided by BC, which is equal to 2 into cos square A by 2. In the next step here, from these two also 2 take common, we will get it as implies S into 2 take common S minus A divided by BC, which is equal to 2 into cos square A by 2. Now here 2 get cancelled. Therefore, cos square A by 2 is equal to S into S minus A divided by BC. So now cos A by 2 equal to square root of S into S minus A divided by BC. Since, why we are writing plus or minus? No, actually, but since in triangle ABC, the value of A by 2 of angle, no, 0 is less than A by 2 is less than 90. So in this interval, cos A by 2 is positive. So that is the reason we are taking this one. So similarly, we can prove that Similarly, we can prove cos b by 2 equal to square root of s into s minus b divided by ac, comma, cos c by 2 equal to square root of s into s minus c divided by ab. Hence proved. We will discuss in the next episode the area of triangle in various forms, and the area of triangle ABC. We will take the three cases like B is acute angle, B is right angle, B is obtuse angle, as well as the area of triangle ABC in different forms we will discuss. Thank you very much, dear students, for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and relatives.